Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you a very different kind of fruit chaat. It's known as Anarkali fruit chaat. Yeah, you heard me right. It's known as Anarkali fruit chaat. It's very different from the rest of the charts. I have already shown you fruit cream, then I have shown you basic fruit chaat recipe, but this is different from all of those because of the one main ingredient that makes it different. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken fruits. Here I'll show you. You can take as many fruits as you want. I have taken watermelon, grapes, black grapes, apples, guava, orange, green grapes, and some kiwis, and bananas that I'll slice at the end because they will turn brown. And I have taken pomegranate too. I have taken chaat masala 2 teaspoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, salt 1/4 teaspoon, walnuts, this is optional but they give a good mouth feel, and pomegranate around 1 cup. And this is the special ingredient that we are going to add. This is tamarind chutney. This you can make at home or you can get it from the market. I'll show you which one I have used. I have used the market one. I have used this one. You can make it at home by taking out the pulp of imli or tamarind and then adding sugar and boiling it. Now let's get started with the recipe. So here in a bowl I'll add all these fruits. Here you can see I'm adding all the fruits. There is no hard and fast rule for fruits. You can add any fruit of your choice, and quantity also matters, how much you're making, and it depends how many family members you have. And here as you have seen, I have added walnuts, sugar, salt, chaat masala. So now I'll be slicing bananas in it. Then we will give it a good mix, and after that we will add tamarind chutney to it. Here you can see this gives a really good taste. This is a must try. I mean, this is really amazing. This tastes really amazing. I have been making it for a while, so today I thought to share with you people also. So here you can see it becomes really that glossy, and the taste is very different. The tamarind paste gives it very different taste. So here you can see. Mix it and keep it in fridge for some time, then it's ready to be served. It tastes best when it's chilled. Here you can see the texture, everything looks so good. It looks very tempting. So here you can see I'm serving it in a bowl. And fruits you can adjust according to your taste. You can add more bananas or more apples or even mangoes also, but mangoes become slightly squishy, so I have not added mangoes. This is the beginning season of mangoes. And there is one more thing that I'm going to tell you. With this chaat you can add curd also. You can sprinkle it with curd before serving, and that gives a very different taste. Adding curd makes it totally different. Here you can see I have added some curd. I have added curd to one of them. You can add whisk curd, then try it. It tastes really amazing. Curd you need to sprinkle before serving, not to the whole fruit chaat. So here it's ready to be served. You can garnish it the way you want. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember, in duas, Allah Hafiz.